Mother's Day Rose Serum. Hey everybody, welcome to this Mother's Day special. I am going to be doing a Mother's Day serum, and I've got some fun new products to introduce you to, and this is just gonna be great. So let's get started. I'm going to use the Bulgarian Rose Essential Oils, Rose Auto, because this particular brand I know is legit. It's pure, it's from Bulgaria, and it's awesome sauce. And because this is going on my face, and it's especially for me and for a few of my very special sisters, that's what we're using. So I'm also going to be using from Ayataya Organics some of this rose wax. So we're going to give it a little bit of a body, just a tiny bit of rose wax. We're also going to be using argan oil, virgin argan oil, refined pomegranate oil, sea blackthorn oil, and a new product I found. I wanted to add some omega-3s this time, called NutriVeggie Omega-3 Plant. Now this is a food product. It is intended to be consumed, but I'm going to put it on my face. And because I wanted a really nice slip and I wanted to stay away from anything that is not natural, I found this new dimethicone alternative called Lux Glide N350. So we're going to give it a try. Its INCI is diheptylsuccinate and caprylyl, glycerin, sabbatic acid, copolymer. All right, so its usage rate is between 1.5 to 3%. Okay, so we'll start into the liquid oil phase. So first, we're going to measure out our oils. I've already pre-warmed up the wax, but I'm going to warm the oils as well. Now the bulk of my serums is my favorite anti-inflammatory, natural anti-inflammatory, my grape seed infused with bay laurel. So we're going to take about 45 grams of this. Now this is a Mother's Day gift, so I'm sharing the recipe, but you gotta watch the video. I'm not going to type it out. So 45 grams of hot bay infused grapeseed oil. Now all of the oils I'm using are non-comedogenic for the most part. Oops. Went a little high, I went 47. So we're gonna have to use a little less of the others. Now the next thing we're gonna put in there is a gram of shea butter. Let me just get all of my oils in here. So we're gonna put half a gram of argan, a gram of shea butter, a half a gram of, so we're gonna bring this up to 49. That was, I think I need a battery. Uh-oh. I gotta make it through this. We'll see. The next one we need to add is 0.25 grams of this refined pomegranate oil. I haven't even opened it up yet. It's a little pricey for just, 30 mils. But for something like this, I think it's worthwhile. So I'm going to add half a gram of that, so 0.5 grams. Ish. See if we've got all the oils. I'm also going to add sea blackthorn. And of the sea blackthorn, I'm going to add... yeah, it keeps turning off. We're going to be lucky if we make it through this. Sorry, guys. only time I've got, so I've got to do it now. We're going to add a half a gram of this too. See, it said nothing, and now it's already 0.7. Okay, so we've got all our oils. I'm gonna add the wax because it's hot. And the wax, I'm only adding a tiny little bit because I don't really want it to highly affect my inconsistency, my viscosity. So we're just gonna bring this up. So we're gonna do 0.3 grams of the rose wax. So get it up to 1 gram. There we go. All right, so we've got our oils and our waxes done. I'm just gonna warm this up and incorporate it, and then we'll add our next ingredients. All right, so I just melted it in the microwave for a minute, and that totally did the trick. It is quite hot, so I'm gonna let it cool a little bit. We aren't going to need to use a preservative because we have no water in our formulation. So this is one of those self-preserving without it. There's no water. They're ingredients that that you don't have to have a preservative for, which is great. Now we're going to add, this is a sunflower oil base. So I'm not really worried about this. We're going to go with 1 gram. Get 1 gram. So we got our omega-3s. That smells really good. That's going to be nice with the natural rose. Now I'm going to wait till the very, very end before I add my rose. So let's add our, let's add our dimethicone or silicone substitute, naturally sourced. I was really excited when I saw this. Actually, it's one of those moments when you do a little happy dance. You're like, woohoo, I've got something that all of my friends who like to be all natural might be interested in too. So hard getting a hold of a little piece of tape. Okay, we're getting it. We're getting it. Eventually it's going to be there. There we go. Woohoo! We did it. So we are going to go with a 1%. So I need another 0.5 of this. You can go between 1 and 5% for dimethicone. It's going to provide a nice slip. And I ended up going with 1.6, so close enough. Alrighty, so we've got all of our oils in here, which is really exciting. Did I add my argan? I almost don't know if I did. Guys, did I add the argan? It's a really easy way to know because it kind of smells. Oh, that smells really good. Well, let's add a little more argan just in case I left it out. Okay. Just the tiniest amount. Okay, so we got it in there for sure. Maybe a little more than I planned. I know I got the sea buckthorn in there. Everything else is in there. Now, let me just feel the temperature. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my gloves so I can feel. It's still quite warm. Ooh, I like the slip of that though. That's nice. Let me put that on my face. Oh, ladies, this is nice. So this is what we're going to test the Washa massage roller with. I don't know where the combs are that I ordered. I don't think they've come in yet with all of this shipping issues with COVID. I haven't gotten anything but my rollers in. We're going to add a few drops of rose because, you know. Oh, you got 3 drops in there. So let's mix that up really quick. Give it a smell. Oh, that's incredible. Oh, wow, that's powerful, powerful stuff. So I'm just going to bottle this up. We've got these. Just wonderful. I'm actually going to put these in a pump, but because this is a larger bottle, we're going to fill it up. And this is what I will measure out all of my lovelies gifts with. There we go. Oh, that is a beautiful, beautiful thing. Wow, wow. Now I need to just label it. They're cute. Get some washi tape here. Give it a little washi tape middle. Thank you, Marie, for this great idea. I have so many washi tapes and I never knew what to do with them, but now I do. And I'm just going to write on here that it's my Mother's Day Rose Serum. All right, I hope you have a wonderful Mother's Day and you can at least see your kids through a plate glass window or something. And your grandkids, I hope you have a wonderful day and blessings to you all, my wonderful friends. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this, please click like and subscribe. I would love to share all of my knowledge with more people. Bye, guys.